Welcome back to Lighthouse Live, at Home Edition. Today's news for tomorrow's leaders. My name is Camden. Today is Tuesday, April 21st, and today I'm broadcasting from my neighborhood. Now please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. In honor of Relight Spirit Week, today is Joke and Riddle Day. Here to tell a joke and brighten your day is my brother Jordan.
What's fast, loud, and crunchy? A rocket ship.
Tomorrow for Spirit Week is Earth Day. Later on in the show, I will share the importance of lighthouses. But first, let's head on over to Dr. Bradley and Mrs. Choate for our daily update.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Tuesday. Good morning, Mrs. Choate.
Good morning.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thanks. How are you?
I'm wonderful. And you know why I'm wonderful?
Why is that?
Because it's Tuesday
And
it's Joke Riddle Day. And we actually have a joke that was sent in by Grayson in Mrs. Williams' kindergarten class. Do you want to see it?
I'd love to.
All right, Grayson, take it away.
I have a joke for you, and it's going to be kind of funny. What did the ocean say to the other ocean? Nothing. It just waved.
Okay, that was a great joke, Grayson. Thanks for sharing. We love getting jokes from students, and since today is Joke and Riddle Day, we want to get a bunch of videos from students telling us jokes. So have your mom or dad video you with their phone and then send it to us at lighthouselive@rowlettacademy.org.
That was awesome. What do oceans do? They wave. That was
That was a good one.
great joke. And boys and girls, tomorrow is Earth Day. All right. So you maybe send some pictures of how you are taking care of Mother Earth. A good time to go pick up the yard. Maybe there's some trash that blew around in the yard and it's in your bushes and everything like that. You want to take care of everything. We really appreciate you guys and know that you're being nice to your teachers at home and your principals at home. Choate, I wonder, who's the principal and vice assistant principal in the house? Think mom is principal?
That's probably
Mom's
true in a lot of
assistant?
cases, but who knows? Everybody's different. Or
That's right. Maybe big brother. Big brother could be principal. Big sister, who knows? All right, guys, you have a wonderful day and send those jokes in. And thank you again, Grayson. And we'll see you tomorrow, Wednesday. Have a great day.
Bye.
Because our school is a lighthouse school, I thought I would share some fun facts about lighthouses. First off, the first onshore lighthouse was built in England by Henry Winstanley, with construction starting in 1696 and ending 2 years later in 1698. Also, did you know there are 30 lighthouses in the state of Florida? Lighthouses were constructed to serve as a navigational aid and warn ships about dangerous areas. St. Augustine Light was the first lighthouse to be built in Florida and still is one of Florida's most popular structures.
Hi, my name is Jacob, and
today I'll be teaching you how to do an Origami Yoda. First, you'll need a rectangular piece of paper. You can make it any color that you want. You'll need a piece of glue stick, a Sharpie, and 2 googly eyes. So first you fold the left side of the paper into 1/3. You fold the other side on top of it so it meets the 2 corners. Step 2, you take the left side and you fold it down to the other side to make a triangle. And then you fold it back. And then you do the same thing on the other side. And then you fold this back up. There. And about 3 inches from the top, you want to fold it down. So you have a little face. And then you're going to take the glue stick and the googly eyes. Oops. And put it on there. Like that. And then you want to take the Sharpie, oops, go like that. Make a little smile. And if the head keeps going a little bit too far up, you can just keep trying to push that down. And then you want to put some glue right here so that keeps your hand in and this part right here not popping up. Okay? And there, that's how you make a paper origami Yoda.
That's all for today's news. Thanks for joining us. After today's news, we will air the Power Pledge, so please stay tuned and have a terrific Tuesday. Bye. I'm a power Rowlett owl in uniform I'm dressed. I pledge to follow Rowlett rules and always do my best. I'll be proactive, choose and take responsibilities. I'll show respect to others and their properties. I'll set goals, put first things first, and do what I'm assigned. My attitude will be win-win with safety rules in mind. I'll listen so I understand and follow all directions. I'll be responsible for my behavior and corrections. With teamwork, I will soar and more and others synergize. I'll renew and sharpen up with power as I press. All right!